Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video we are going to study the class 1 English unit number 1, that is health is happiness. So let us begin. Look at the pictures and read the given words. See here some of the pictures and their words are given. We have to read this. Okay. What is this? This is grapes. 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 Then carrots, carrots, carrots. Then this one, fish, fish, fish. Then bananas, bananas. This is coffee, coffee. Then this is juice, juice. Then here is potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. Okay. Now write the words under the correct headings given below. Here headings are given: fruits, vegetables, drinks, meat. You have to write the above words in the correct heading. Fruits, tell me which are the fruits here. Grapes and bananas are the fruits, right? Yes. Which are the vegetables here? Carrots and potatoes. Then which are the drinks here? Coffee and juice. Which is the meat here? Fish is the meat, right? Yes. Next, do you know any other fruits, vegetables, drinks or meat? Name them. Come on children, tell me the names of some of the fruits, vegetables and drinks. Here is the different types of fruits. You can see apple, mango, banana, papaya, jackfruit, strawberry, watermelon, right? In vegetables, you can see potato, brinjal, tomato, cauliflower, lady's finger, carrot, radish, right? Drinks, what are the drinks do you drink? Tea, coffee, milk, juice, right? Yes. Meat, which are the meats do you eat? We eat mutton, chicken, fish, right? Yes. Now pair work is there, that is make a list of vegetables you and your friend eat. List them in Kannada or in your mother tongue. See children, you have to ask your friend what does the vegetable your friend eat and what vegetables do you eat. You have to list it out, okay? And you have to try to find out the names of those vegetables also. Now whatever vegetables I have said above, in that you can try to find the names, okay? Now here match the action words with the correct picture. Here on the left side you can see the action words are there. On the right side pictures are there. We will match this, okay? Pulling, we will match for pulling. Skipping, we will match for skipping. Hopping, we will match for hopping. Throwing, crawling, sliding, pushing, running. Okay. Next, you do many activities every day, right children? You do many activities. Now let us write all those activities. What are the activities you do? For example, here given getting up, brushing, washing your face, right? Wearing clothes, eating, drinking, playing, reading, writing. So all these activities you do every day, right children? Yes. Now listen. Next, your teacher will sing a song for you. Listen to the song. Listen again and perform the actions while singing, okay? Next, now you too perform the same action. Your friends will also guess that, okay? Now let us read the lesson. One day, Manoj returned home sadly after school. A boy named Manoj came to home after school sadly. Okay, now he is telling, my friend Ankita did not come to school today, Manoj said to his sister Sharadhi. Why Manoj was sad while coming from the school? He was sad because his friend Ankita did not come to school. He said, Manoj said like this to his sister Shardi. So Shardi asked, why she did not come to school today? So Manoj replied, she is not well. What Manoj replied? She is not well. See children, if you are all also not well, you will not go to school. Right? Yes, like that. Ankita also did not go to school because she is not well. Now, our health is important. We need three things to keep us healthy. Sharadi started explaining to Manoj. Now, what Sharadi is telling to Manoj, what Manoj's sister is telling to Manoj. She is telling our health is very important. See children, if you all are healthy, then only you can play, you can write, you can go to school, right? Yes, so our health is important. We need three things to keep us healthy. So we need three things to keep us healthy. What are all the three things? Eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep. So if we will do these three things, we will be healthy. Eating well, what does it mean? Manoj asked. When Sharadi said that eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep keep us healthy, Manoj is asking, eating well means what? So Sharadi is explaining, food plays a large part in health. Healthy food includes fresh fruits and vegetables, but not junk food. So children, eating healthy means you have to eat fresh fruits and vegetables. You should not eat chocolates, ice creams, pani puris, junk food. Okay. So Sharadi said, food plays a large part in health. Healthy food includes fresh fruits, vegetables, but not junk food. So Manoj asked, we get food and sleep at home, but where can we get exercise? So Sharadi is explaining, playing is very good form of exercise. Yoga is another excellent activity. Don't worry about that. Whenever you get time, go out and play with your friends. Saying this, Sharadi pushed Manoj out to play with his friends. So children, Sharadi said playing is very important. It is like a exercise. So of course, after coming from the school, you play, right? Yes, in school also you will play the games. So playing is very important. Now here answer the following questions are there. Orally we will answer. Name the three things which are good for our health. Children, tell me the three things which are good for our health. Food, exercising, and playing is very good for our health. Food, exercise, and getting enough sleep is good for our health. What does healthy food include? Healthy food includes fresh fruits and vegetables. Number 3, which is the good form of exercise as mentioned in the lesson? Playing is a very good form of exercise as mentioned in the lesson, right? Now let us speak in that. First main, circle the word that does not belong to the group. We have to circle here the word which does not belong to the group. Pencil, pen, ball, paper. Which is the word that does not belong to the group? Ball. Then flower, nose, hand, leg. Flower does not belong to the group because nose, hand, leg are the parts of the body. Carrot, potato, tomato, ice cream. Ice cream does not belong to the group because carrot, potato, tomato are vegetables. So we will circle ice cream. Soap, paste, shampoo, spoon. We will circle spoon because soap, paste and shampoo we use in bathroom, right? Spoon we use in kitchen room. Next, chess, ludo, carom, cricket. All these are games. So which one we have to circle? We will circle cricket because chess, ludo and carom will be played inside the house. Cricket is played outside the house. Next, say what you do every day with the help of the pictures given. See here children, here pictures are given. By seeing this picture, you have to tell what you do every day. First, you will get up early in the morning. Then you will take bath. Then after you will do puja. Then we will go to school. Then we will sleep. Then we will play. Then you will eat. Then after you will sleep, right? Yes, next. Let us learn new words. Color the words that describe you. Now what you have to do? You have to color here all the words which describe you. Okay. Friendly, healthy, kind, cheerful, active, bold, helpful, smiling. So friendly is the word which describe you, right? So we will color this. Healthy also a word which describe you, so we will color healthy. Kind also the word which describe you, which type of person you are. Cheerful, that is also describing word, so we will color cheerful. Active, bold, helpful, smiling, all these are the words which describe you, so you have to color all these. Color the things you like to eat. Here are the 3 things, that is apple, bread and milk. In these you have to color the things which you like to eat. Okay, here also it is there, that is ice cream, cheese, corn, banana, grapes, egg. Whichever food you like to eat, you have to color. Okay, see here also it is there, orange and cake. Okay, whichever you like to eat, you have to color. Then let us practice language. So now first main in that, complete the following sentences choosing the right word from the bracket. Here in the bracket 2 words are given. In that which word is right, you have to write it. Okay, first, Manoj returned home dash proudly, sadly. Answer is sadly. Our health is costly, precious. Healthy food does not include junk or clean food, junk food. We get exercise from playing, eating. Answer is playing. Next, a few words are given under list A. Make new words by adding one word from list B. So children, when we will add 2 new words, one word will be formed, that is called compound words. Okay, so let us match compound words. Bath, for bath we will match tub, bath, tub. Tooth, brush. Footpath, popcorn. Door, bell. Nail, cutter. Ice cream. Okay, these are compound words. Next, let us write, what would you like to have for breakfast, lunch and dinner? Children, this is your favorite things you need to write here. In breakfast, what do you like to have? Breakfast means the food which you eat at the first meal of your day. After getting up the food which you eat, that is called breakfast. So whichever you like to eat, dosa, idli, chapati, roti, puliyogre, whichever you want to write, you can write here. Then in lunch, whatever you like to have, rice, curry, fish, mutton, chicken, whatever you like to eat, you can write. In dinner, whatever you like to eat, you have to write here. Okay, lunch is the meal of the day which is eaten after the breakfast, before the dinner, in the afternoon. Dinner is the meal of the day which you eat at the end of the day, that is in the night. Okay, next, add E to the following words, then say the sets of words aloud. Kit, K-I-T, kit. If you will add E, what it will make? K-I-T-E, kite. B-I-T, bit. If you will add E, it will make B-I-T-E, bite. T-A-P, tap. For that, if you will add E, it will make T-A-P-E, tape. H-O-P, hop. For that, if you will add E, it will make H-O-P-E, hope. M-A-T, mat. If we will add E, it will become M-A-T-E, mate. H-A-T, hat. If we will add E, it will become H-A-T-E, hate. Okay. Now third, from the following list, write down which things are important to you and which are not important to you. You have to paste your photo here, children. And which thing is important for you? Loving parents? Yes, it is important. Good health? Yes, that is also important. Many friends? Not important, right? If you have 1-2 friends also, it is okay for you. Clean clothes? Yes, clean clothes also important. A lot of toys? No, it is not important. Lot of toys are not important. A nice house? It is also not important. Say some of the people are there who don't have even house. What type of house we have? We should be happy. good grades, that is also very important for us. Next, let us do, can you make vegetable salad at home and bring it to the next class? Tell the class what vegetables you have used to make a salad. Okay, so you have to prepare a salad by using different vegetables, or else you can do, paste a paper plate on the sheet, cut into the pictures of good food items from the newspaper or magazine, paste them onto the plate to show a healthy, nourishing meal. Okay, now last part of this lesson is listening test. One poem is there, you have to listen this. Okay, one morning. Okay, I will read this poem for you. I woke up one morning feeling hot and sick. Mommy called the doctor, he came very quick. He washed his hands, took off his coat. He looked at my eyes and down my throat. He touched my hand and said, dear, dear, I won't hurt you, so do not fear. Here, take these pills, he smiled and said, in a few days, you will be out of bed. So this is all about your unit 1. Health is happiness. We have learned many things in this unit. So if you want the explanation and textbook activities of other units of English, you can see in the playlist of my channel. I have already uploaded the EVS lessons, all the EVS lessons of class 1. You can also see the EVS lessons explanation and also textbook activities done. Thanks for watching.